Hello everyone, myself Gautami Ayan under the guidance of Professor Vanraju B from Batch 20, and my internship topic is Data Lake based on web application. Data Lake means managing data lakes in big data. Let us look on to the first slide of this um, about company. Beta Technology, registered in 2012, suited in Mysore, has made a name for itself in the list of the service providers in Karnataka. Beta Technology is specialized in innovative embedded and IT solutions, complex software project development. Companies' competence and experience ensures that they deliver excellent services and products to their customer. And this is a website of this technology. Next, look on to the what we did means work done. The internship involved gain a good understanding of a project called Data Lake, where my job was to understand and creating the Python application, MySQL and Android application means web application. How to develop web application and website using Python application and MySQL and Python 2015. Next, look on to the technical and non-technical skills. In technical skill, Python 2015 is to design in front end and MySQL for backend design. Coding languages Python 3.7. And next, non-technical skill in this ability to accept and apply feedback from others, some skills related to teamwork, including the ability to negotiate with others and to recognize, appreciate, deserve in a team. Work on time, complete tasks in a timely manner, stay focused, and stay organized. These are the technical and non technical skills. Next is um, Next, I have had an opportunity to work on the project called Data Lake. Let us see the brief about a project, how it works. First, we know about Data Lake. Data Lake is the idea of records lake is growing as well as known way to prepare and collect the following technology of structures. And the concept of this record lake is to developing as a well-known way arranged and gather the following generation of structures to grasp a new huge statistics development conditions. Next is how we are working in this in technology means in existing system. In this we have done conventional access control which are utilized to give generally intended in house benefits and depend on the framework itself. To implement approval arrangements, for example, if a customer needs to record reports or records containing certain catch phrases, would be able to keep information vast to servers and they're recovering the information. And other another basic way to deal with given information is cryptography. Finally, server side encryption is not suitable when the server is not trusted. Drawbacks of this existing system is in this technology, advances are often seen as innovative forward movement for the knowledge industry. It allows to store any format with non-quality limit, which leads to many problems and prevents extracting values from the data. And the main reason is that they are rule test incredibly expensive and the value that can be extract from them in minimal compared to what is promised. To overcome this drawback, we have used a proposed system. In this proposed framework, we proposed a plan for multi client accessible information encryption dependent on intermediate cryptography. We consider the application situation where a gathering of clients shares information through an understand information stock spilling server, which is facilitated by a third get together. And finally, the client will never again have the company to preserve and look through the mutual information. Advantages of proposed work is the biggest advantages is that data lake is a flexibility and it has a ability to drive value unlimited types of data and ability to store all type of structured and unstructured data in a data lake. These are the advantages of proposed work to overcome the drawback of existing system. Now let us look on to the uh, how we are login or registered to in this project. First we have registered and then we have to log in to this. Next, a file query will select and it will analyze. Next, the file select query will select the file and search for the file. Uh, Next, it is the output of this project. Knowledge on many platforms like Python framework, have Windows from application, MySQL. This is a certificate that we have gained. That's all. Thank you.